Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Waalaikumsalam, Teacher Wan. Today, I will teach you about sound in our environment. I want you to guess this sound. What sounds of that? That one is car horn, Teacher Wan. Good, Amira. Exactly, you are right. Guess the next sounds. I know that sound, Teacher Wan. That one is bird. Well done, Amira. Correct. Now, I want you to guess these sounds. Okay, Teacher Wan, I try. First one is phone ringing. Second one is juggling hand. And then the last one is helicopter. Is it correct, Teacher Wan? Good job, Mira. Well done. You are correct. As a conclusion, we already learned about sounds in our environment. For example, from animals, from human, from nature, and so on. That's all for today. See you again. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye, Teacher Wan. Waalaikumsalam.